Hello traders, how are you doing? I hope you all do well. So in this fast video, I will just explain why I use the Yucluster tool to form my graphic here, okay? The normal graphic you can see behind the tool is this kind of graphic, is a candle graphics, okay? Graphics of candles. So I don't use candles in my analysis, and I don't use time frame. Time frames is is relevant here. Okay, in my type of analysis, I use this kind of graphic with clusters, and each clusters of this is formed when it reaches a delta of 800, with a difference between buy triggers and sell triggers. Okay, so this is the delta. And this is why I use the Yucluster tool to form my graphic. So uh, I use the delta as a parameter for the formation of these clusters. Okay, and this way I can see where there was a greater negotiation interest, like this in this cluster here, a very big interest here. In this one, the same, and in this one here, very good interest, a big interest in negotiation here too. And in these clusters, a price region with a very good interest in negotiation. So using this kind of graphic, I can see the great negotiation interest in this region or less interest, okay? Let me see something. This is the graph of gold versus dollar. In this moment the market is open. Okay. Erase all these objects here. You erase all of them. Just to clean the screen, okay? Okay. This is the graphic. And I use these clusters to see where is the greater interest in negotiation. So here is a point that I can use as a reference. So I know below this, this price, there is no interest to negotiation here. So I will find some trade above this level of price, okay? It's simple to understand. Let's see. Here, I would I would put a trade buying because this cluster finished with low interest here, interest, low volume here. And the next cluster starts with this kind of formation with more interest here of this one, of the last one. So when the cluster put this, come here near the point of control here, I would put a trade buying starting here, and I would finish this trade at this point near the level of another point of control. So start here and finish here, and we'll take profit with no problem. It's easy to see this kind of scenario. Okay, so let me clear all drawings. This one was another opportunity to buy. Low interest here, and the next one start to have more interest. This cluster form with this kind of shape, and the next one you can put the buying trade starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels above the point of control. Okay, was a very good trade to do buying, and you can start here, and you could finish this trade here near this point of control in the same level or 1 or 2 levels near this point. Okay, so I don't know if you can understand my English. English is not my native language, but I'm trying to explain. Okay, let me see if there's another opportunity here just to explain. I think this point here, was another opportunity, because this cluster came down with imbalances, and this one grows up with many imbalances too. And when it starts to just another cluster, it comes to take all those imbalances, and the shape comes like a letter B. Okay, so in the next one, when the movement come near the point of control, you could put another buying trade here, and you would put your take profit here. You would put your take profit here in the same point, the same level of this point of control, or 1 or 2 levels above. Okay, so it's near to trade here, buying in this scenario. Okay, this is a fast explanation about how I make my buying trades here in the graphic of gold versus North American dollar, okay? Let me see. Let me clear all drawings. This is a very good opportunity here. Another one. So, low interest start to come more interested in the next one cluster, and you see that another cluster come near this point of control. So 1, 2, 3 levels above, you could put your buying trade and you finish with your take profit near this point of control or 1 or 2 levels above, okay? Would be a very good trade with a good profit to you. So I think that's all. I think to start understand how I'll use the Yucluster in my routine here as a trader. I think that's all for this video, and I thank you for watching. And I invite you to subscribe in my channel and share this video with your friends that like Forex marketing too. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.